subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Oppo has launched its new smartphone under K series in China called Oppo K9s. Talking about the specifications, the Oppo K9s features a 6.59-inch Full HD Plus display with up to 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. The screen supports 90.8% screen-to-body ratio and it is protected by Panda glass on the top. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset paired with Adreno 642L GPU. The smartphone packs with 6 or 8GB of LPDDR4X RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage with microSD expansion support. In terms of camera, the Oppo K9s supports a triple camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner that includes a 64MP main camera with f1.7 aperture plus 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens with 120° field of view and a 2MP macro lens with f2.4 aperture. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting up to 4K videos at 30 frames per second and it supports electronic image stabilization for anti-shake video recording. For selfies, it has 16MP camera under the hole punch at the top left corner with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 11 based on ColorOS 11.2 skin on top and it houses a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 30W fast charging. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication and it also includes multi-dimensional composite liquid cooling system that helps to maintain the phone temperature in extreme conditions. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.43 by 75.88 by 8.52mm and it weighs around 199 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Oppo K9s has been priced in China for 6GB plus 128GB storage variant at 1499 Chinese yuan, while the 8GB plus 128GB storage option is priced at 1699 Chinese yuan. The smartphone is now up for pre-orders in the country in Obsidian Black, Neon Silver and Magic Purple quick sand color options. And the smartphone is set to go on sale starting from November 1st. So what do you guys think of this Oppo K9s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.